What's up, y'all? I don't even know what this shit is. Hey, babes. What's going on? Y'all, so I ate seafood last night, right? And my lip, this side of my lip swelled up, right? You see my what? My what? Hopefully tonight when I eat this, it don't swell up. 'Cause I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna put them in this bag. This bag gotta go to the trash anyways. All right, what's up? I'm looking beautiful, thank you. I got them a little spicy, but it's not giving spice. What, my seafood bag? What do you mean? How I get full? I'm not eating this to get full. I'm just eating it for my... I should go to a place called Caesar. Where is that at? Where is Casey? Y'all, Casey on a vacation. And he been hollering about going where he at right now for a long time. So, he gone. He gone. Why you smacking? Cause I'm grown. Don't even stop. Cause this shit is busting, y'all. It's busting for real. Y'all see my nails? Did I get something on my phone? Oh, y'all see my nails? They supposed to have a design on them, but hold on. I went to the nail. I want to eat this for some reason. I don't know. I went to the nail shop to get them done, so I get my feet and my nails done. And she gonna tell me $100. I mean, yeah, it was $100.